All right, here's a tutorial for you on how to quickly create some printables or enhance kind of the PLR printables you maybe already have on hand. As you know, we talk about using ChatGPT to come up with more, journal prompts that you can put into your journals, checklist items, all kinds of stuff that you can use to enhance and add to the content that you've already created and the printables you've created. And what we're going to look now is like if you don't feel comfortable in creating your prompts, this is actually probably going to be quite handy. It's a simple AI tool from Amy Harrop. And it's also backed with a bunch of research on what types of printables sell well, and what she's done is made this handy tool. Looks quite simple, and it is. It has a lot of different, you can see prompts here in hot niches that she's done the research for. A lot of household type stuff, meal planning, household care, gardening, that kind of stuff, personal development and finance. And what it does is and it also has like planner prompts, journal prompts, trackers, checklists. So it writes up the prompt for you, and it actually gives you the output as well. So it's not just a list of prompts, it is a little tool that you can use. So we're going to look at this dream journal catalog, and I'd like to say, so it writes out a prompt for you in details. It gives you some clues on, what you can do if you want it to be a certain length, and it has more details. So then that way you can learn also to create your own prompts. And if you run it, and when the prompts finishes running, it appears here, and it's something that you can copy and paste and put into your templates actually. And Amy's also included a bunch of nice looking templates. There's like the checklist templates, journal templates. I've got them all open here. Obviously you can change the look and feel of all of these. There's planner templates, more journals, and income and budget trackers as well. So one thing I wanted to say, so like let's say it's not exactly what you want to cover, you want to do your own prompt, these all can be edited, and they're a great way to, like if you look at some of them, how you can craft these. So using like this one as a inspiration, I'm gonna do a prompt for procrastination, right? So she has designed a dream catalog for a dream journal, encouraging users to detail their dreams, like with aspects like character, settings, themes, and emotional responses. The content should ideally fit within 1 and 2 pages. So I'm going to think about something about self-exploration for overcoming procrastinating, encouraging users to detail what happens. Probably don't need that word. What happens when they procrastinate? Have them explore what types of things they do when they seem to procrastinate, what they feel when they avoid certain tasks, what they do instead of those tasks, and think about how they can make the tasks easier. The content should ideally fit within 1 or 2 pages, and that's up to you if you want to do that. Sometimes I like to let the AI just spit out everything at once, and then I might tell it to shorten it up, or I might just edit it. So then we're going to run this prompt. So it's not going to, the dream journal is not there. That's just the drop down for you selecting it, but you can change it however you want, and then you run the prompt. And when it's ready, we have all this put together for us. So I find that sometimes the AI tools have this introduction that sometimes ends up wordy. It depends if you want to put it in there, but it always tries to make a full and complete kind of document for you. So I would edit that, but then it has types of tasks: procrastinated, just like I asked, emotional response to avoidance, alternative activities for making tasks easier. And then it also has a conclusion, because it's like a good student in English class in school. It does that. So I often leave those things out, or I rewrite it in my own words, because then that adds a little bit more personal thing to it. But anyways, that is the AI Printables automation tool. And again, there's the templates and some videos as well, training videos. Amy does, really great at research, and so you learn a lot from there. She takes you through, creating everything and using the software as well, and probably have some even better tips than we've shared. Formatting your like taking that output and formatting it into a product, creating a sales page as well, and all that good stuff. And if you prefer to read, looks like she's got the transcripts there for you. If you're interested in checking out AI printables automation for yourself and getting access to the tools, the 210 prompts and all the templates, plus the video training, you can find the link in the description of this video and also at the end. Just click and go.